Welcome to AI Discovery Channel. Join us today as we show you how to start using ChatGPT effectively in 6 easy steps. First, let us briefly explain what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive amount of diverse text from the internet, allowing it to learn grammar, facts, reasoning abilities, and even some level of common sense. The chat in ChatGPT signifies its primary use, which is generating human-like responses in a conversational manner. It's trained to understand and generate text in a way that's suitable for having interactive conversations. People can provide prompts or questions to ChatGPT, and it will respond with coherent and contextually relevant text. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of applications, such as drafting emails, writing code, answering questions, providing explanations, creative writing, and more. It's important to note that while ChatGPT can generate impressive and contextually relevant text, it doesn't possess true understanding or consciousness. This means that it is advisable for the user to proofread and make necessary adjustments to all of the text that it generates. Here is a simplified step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and use ChatGPT. But before we get into it, if you'd like to know an amazing way of using ChatGPT that will guarantee to make your life a lot easier, please keep watching till the end. Step 1. Open your web browser and input chat.openai.com into the address bar. Alternatively, you can easily access the link provided in the description below. Step 2. You'll now require an account with OpenAI. Just click on the Sign Up option and proceed to create your OpenAI account. Step 3. During this process, you'll need to provide your email address, choose a password, and after confirming your email and linking your phone to your account, you'll be all set to go. Step 4. Now you can log in at chat.openai.com. You'll encounter this interface, serving as your main workspace for interacting with ChatGPT. There's also another way to access this platform, which is through the playground at beta.openai.com/playground. This grants greater customization capabilities, allowing you to select the AI model they've trained, and reduce or increase the maximum length of words, which will be very helpful if you are writing an essay as an example. Step 5. Now you can type in questions or commands in the search bar at the bottom of the screen. ChatGPT will then use a vast array of information sourced from the internet to generate answers, scripts, articles, essays, and more. Step 6. If you would like ChatGPT to amend what it has produced, then you can type things like, "Please expand the article with more in-depth explanation," in the bottom search bar, and it will rewrite the whole article based on what you have asked it to do. And there you have it, you are now ready to start using ChatGPT for a vast array of tasks that will significantly reduce your workload. If you would like to be kept updated about advancements in AI just like this, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It also enables us to spread the word about the positives and negatives of AI to others. As promised, an advanced way of using ChatGPT to make your life a lot easier involves getting it to summarize long articles. Have you ever seen an article that you are very interested in but it is just too long and you haven't got the time to read it? You can simply copy the link of the article and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT to summarize the link in 3 sentences. You will then be able to read the article very quickly, saving you a great amount of time and effort. If you would like to see 6 other amazing life hacks using ChatGPT that will seriously benefit your life, then please click the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching.